Hi there, this is the A4 B6 2001 to 2005 model. How to access the computer and harness. So basically there's these Torx screws, 1, 2, 3, one down here which is tricky to get, 4, and one down in here. You can just see it at the bottom there, which you can access from the top, and you need to remove the windscreen wiper to do that. So the trick for removing the windscreen wipers if they're stuck is there's a space in between these cogs and the motor. So you need to chock that with something, a screwdriver, a piece of metal, whatever you can find, whatever you can squeeze in there. And then I'll show you on this. You basically do this screw, undo this screw a little bit, and then whack it with a hammer. So that will stop you from damaging the thread, and it will force this bracket to come up. And mine were quite difficult. I managed to get a hex key under there, which was the right thickness, and then I gave it a hit with a hammer to bring this arm up. Then after that, the corrosion was pretty apparent. So they tend to corrode there. And when you screw it back in, it'll normally bed itself back in. So the main problem is getting it out. So that's what you need to do to access this box. And that's how you undo the windscreen wiper arms. And that's about it. Thanks. Bye.